Hello, I'm Alexander McCall-Smith and I'm here in the Serengeti in Tanzania. I'm going to be looking at the battle that is being fought against rabies in the settlements and villages around this great game reserve. I'd like you to join me to see how this is done.
This woman lost her daughter to rabies 3 weeks ago after she was bitten by a stray dog. Unfortunately, her home is over 2 days' walk from the nearest health centre, and she never received the vaccines. Without intervention, rabies kills. These children have the disease and have developed symptoms that make them fearful of air being blown on their face and drinking water. But as well as being a deadly disease for humans, rabies has devastated wildlife populations as well. In the 1990s, rabies was responsible for wiping out the African wild dogs from the Serengeti National Park completely. It's Saturday afternoon in the small town of Ngarawani, just outside the Serengeti National Park in Tanzania. Hundreds of people and their dogs are queuing up for a dose of the rabies vaccine. Rabies expert Sarah Cleveland knows that vaccinating dogs like this is essential if they are to keep the disease at bay.
We need to keep the vaccination coverage up at the level across the population to really hit rabies at the source, because the source of the problem in this area is the dogs. It's dogs that are spreading it to people and dogs that are also spreading it to wildlife. And if we can vaccinate about 70% of these dogs, we think we can actually have a chance of eliminating it completely and making the Serengeti free of rabies entirely. So huyu anaitwa Peggy, sawa?
Well, this is a really important part of the program against rabies. In fact, the most vital element of it, because this is how people get infected with rabies. It's through domestic dogs. And it's not just a question of human welfare that we're talking about here. We're talking about animal welfare, about the welfare of these dogs who are being vaccinated today, but also of many other animals who are affected by rabies. This is a humane operation in every sense.